In this video, I am going to show you how to track your credit score in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, go to your dashboard home screen. On desktop, you'll find the credit score section on the right-hand side of the page. This is where Origin displays your current score along with key insights about your credit health. If it's your first time accessing this feature, you'll need to verify your identity. You'll be asked a few quick security questions so Origin can securely pull your credit data. This process uses a soft inquiry, so it won't impact your credit score in any way. Once verified, your credit score will appear along with helpful information like trends and factors affecting your score. This makes it easier to understand what's improving or lowering your credit over time. You can revisit this section anytime to monitor updates and keep track of your overall credit health directly from your dashboard. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.